Good morning student, class 7 chapter number 8 comparing quantities exercise 8.5. In the previous video we complete out exercise 8.4 and we discussed the formula to find out original observation and new observation in which increment or decrement percentage is given. Now the topic is unitary method. It is a very common topic we also can read in previous classes. Now start exercise 8.5. In the first question, a worker earns in 7 days rupees 595 and we have to find out how much will he earn in 15 days. It's very simple. You can use unitary method. We can use unitary method in which a worker earns in 1 day. एक वर्कर एक दिन में कितने रुपए कमाएगा? इट्स मीन rupees 595 upon 7. To find out for one, it is called unitary method. Now we have to find out a worker earns in 15 days. So multiply by 15. Rupees 595 multiply 15 and in the denominator 7. And the value we obtained is rupees 1275. It's very simple. It's a unitary method. Just note down. Okay students, question number 2 is the same question number 1, so try yourself. Also question number 3 is the same question number 2 and 1, but we try question number 3. In the question number 3, it is given that a truck can cover 582 km in 12 hours. And the distance covered by a truck in 12 hours is equal to 582 km and we have to find out distance covered by the truck in 26 hours. So it's very simple. Using unitary method, distance covered by a truck in 1 hour is equal to 582 upon 12 km. And now we have to find out distance covered by a truck in, and we have to find out the value for 26 hours. So 582 multiply 26 and upon 12 km, and the value we obtained is 1261 km. Similarly, it's another part also. We have to find out time taken to cover 1843 kilometers. So we just convert the sentence. Time taken by truck to cover 582 kilometer and the time is 12 hours. So time taken by truck to cover 1 kilometer, 12 upon 582 hours, and time taken by truck to cover 1843 kilometer. So 12 multiply 1843 and divide by 582. And the value we obtained is 38 hours. So I show question number 3 also clear. The question number 4 is the same also question number 3. So try yourself and just note down question number 3. Okay students, now we discuss question number 5. In the question number 5, it is given that a bus covers 400 km and consumes 25 liters of diesel. It means a bus consumes diesel to cover 400 km is 25 liters. And we have to find out cost of the diesel required to cover 1500 km. यानी कि 1500 km डिस्टेंस कवर करने के लिए बस कितने रुपए का डीजल कंज्यूम करेगी. तो फर्स्टली फाइंड आउट क्वांटिटी ऑफ डीजल. सो अ बस कंज्यूम्स डीजल टू कवर 1 किलोमीटर 25/400 liter, and a bus consume diesel to cover, and the distance is 1500 kilometer. 25 multiply 1500 and upon 400 liter, and the value we obtained is 93.75 liter. यानी कि इतनी डिस्टेंस कवर करने के लिए बस इतना लीटर डीजल कंज्यूम करती है. एंड अकॉर्डिंग द क्वेश्चन इट इज गिवन दैट कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 लीटर डीजल, कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 लीटर डीजल, 1 लीटर डीजल की कॉस्ट कितनी है? ₹36. एंड वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट cost of 93.75 liter diesel. So multiply ₹36 multiply 93.75, and the value we obtain is ₹3,375. So इतने रुपए का डीजल वो बस कंज्यूम करेगी टू कवर 1500 किलोमीटर. Just note down. Okay students, question number 6, 7 and 8 are the same question number 5, so try yourself. Question number 9. In the question number 9, a train has 22 bogies and total number of passengers are 1584 and the cost of one ticket ₹58, and we have to find out total collection if number of bogies are 25. Increase to 25, यानी कि number of bogies 22 से बढ़कर 25 हो गई. So firstly we have to find out number of passengers because these number of passengers for 22 bogies. So similarly we can use unitary method. Number of passengers if number of bogies are 22, 1584. Number of passengers if number of bogies is 1, 1584 upon 22. And number of bogies if number of passengers if number of bogies are 25, then 1584 multiply 25 upon 22, and the after calculation the value we obtained is 1800. So number of passengers are 1800, and now we have to find out total collection. It is given that cost of one ticket ₹58 की एक कॉस्ट टिकट की कॉस्ट कितनी है? ₹58, एंड दे आर टोटल 1800 पैसेंजर्स, तो कॉस्ट ऑफ 1800 टिकट्स ₹58 multiply 1800, and the value we obtained is ₹1,04,400. So I sure question number 9 is clear. Just note down. Now students, we discuss question number 10. In the question number 10, it is given that there are 288 packets of biscuits and each packet contain 12 biscuits, and these packets are packed in 9 cartons. So one packet has 12 biscuits. So firstly find out 200 packets contain how many biscuits. So 200 packets have 12 multiply 288 biscuits. It means its value is the value we obtained is 3456, यानी कि इतने पैकेट इतने बिस्कुट्स कंटेन करती है। नाउ इट इज गिवन दैट अगर हमें 288 पैकेट्स को पैक करना है तो कितने कार्टन्स चाहिए? 9 कार्टन्स। तो द स्टेटमेंट इज नंबर ऑफ कार्टन्स for 3456 बिस्कुट्स इज इक्वल टू 9। इतने बिस्कुट के लिए हमें 9 कार्टन्स की जरूरत है एंड वी हैव टू पैक 1120 बिस्कुट्स। सो 9/3456 multiply 1920 and the value we obtained is 5. The number of cartons is equal to 5. So I sure question number 10 is clear. So exercise 8.5 is complete. In the next video we continue exercise 8.6. So just note down and thank you very much.